Virtual Tractor, the latest technology on the market for testing implements, combines, planters, and more. The VT.1X is fully automated and remotely controlled using a touchscreen HMI tablet known as the Commander. The VT.1X features a heavy-duty 10-gauge steel cart, a powerful 10-horsepower electric motor, a 3000 psi hydraulic PTO system with 6 sets of hydraulic couplers. Other systems include an ISO bus harness with a 60-amp independent power supply and a lighting system with standard 7-pin J560 harness. This is the most advanced implement testing system on the market today. The operator simply selects a test system on the homepage by clicking on a box. For example, click on the PTO system and the Commander will take the operator to the PTO system screen. There the operator will have full control of the PTO direction and speed plus full control of all 6 sets of hydraulic couplers. The tablet is connected by Wi-Fi, allowing the operator to step away from the VT.1X station and control the implement remotely. Let's begin today by testing a Kubota BD4180 baler. The operator begins by turning the motor on, using the touchscreen tablet, known as the Commander. Next, he then selects the forward button. Finally, he increases the speed of the PTO by depressing the speed button. RPM speed continues to increase as long as he presses the increase button. The operator has total control of RPM and can stop at any set point he desires. The operator has increased speed to 120 RPM using the touchscreen tablet. He is now able to walk away from the virtual tractor to inspect the baler and its operating functions. The operator retains total control of the VT.1X via the touchscreen tablet. He can increase or decrease PTO speed, and he can shut down the PTO at any time by pressing the motor off button. In addition, he has control of the hydraulic cylinders and their functions, enabling him to lift and drop the cylinder. Notice that both systems, the PTO and the hydraulic cylinders, can run simultaneously. There is no need to stop one system to run the other. Also, look at the stability of the VT.1X heavy-duty cart. There's no vibration and no movement at 120 RPM. The operator is using the touchscreen tablet to reduce the PTO RPM by simply pressing the speed arrow down button. He now decides to inspect the other functions of hydraulic cylinders by depressing the lift button and then the drop button. The VT.1X cart is made of heavy-duty 10-gauge steel. The weight of the VT.1X provides stability, which results in the PTO running smoothly. The operator can also easily connect and disconnect the implement's hydraulic hoses using the quick disconnect couplers. The implement's virtual terminal can be connected and the settings can be adjusted while the PTO and baler are running. The operator can control and test the lighting system, which is activated by pressing the button on the home screen. The operator can test the running lights simply by turning them on and off. Furthermore, he is able to test the right and left turn signals, and he is able to also test the brake lights. The operator is also able to test all lighting systems at the same time, by turning them all on, and then all off, one at a time. For pricing and availability, please give us a call at 815-844-6315. Or you can email Chris at awdyno.com. The email is chris@awdyno.com. We will be glad to come to your location and do a live demo at no cost to you. We hope to hear from you soon.